In this problem, we are going to be looking at a 2400 volt / 400 volt single phase transformer, which means the primary coil has 2400 turns and the secondary winding has 400 turns. Because we are going to consider this to be a realistic transformer, I'm going to represent it by its equivalent circuit, shown here. This transformer takes a no-load current of 0.5 amps and has a core loss of 400 watts. Our task will be to determine the values of the magnetizing and core loss components of the no-load current. Since this is no load on the transformer secondary, all of the current flowing will be due to the magnetizing current. That is to say, all of I1 will be due to the magnetizing current I0. Therefore, I1 equals I0. Because there is no load, I2 will be 0. The core loss will be given by the voltage drop V1 times the magnetizing current I0 times the cosine of the angle between them, cos theta. The power factor then is equal to P core loss divided by the quantity V1 times I0. Filling in the actual values gives us a no-load power factor of 0.33 and a power factor angle of 70.73 degrees, found by taking the inverse cosine of 0.33. The core loss component current is given by I0 times cos theta, and that equals 0.5 times cosine of 70.73, or 0.165 amps. The magnetizing component of the current is given by I0 times sine theta, and that is equal to 0.5 sine 70.73 degrees, and that's equal to 0.47 amps. Looking at these two currents, you might consider that the two currents must add up to I0, which should equal I1, and that should equal 0.5 amps, but 0.165 plus 0.472 is equal to 0.637 amps. So what's going on here? Remember that IW and IM are phasors and must be added using vector rules. So since IW is at 0 degrees and IM is at 90 degrees, then the resultant is this, the magnitude of which is the square root of the quantity IM squared plus IW squared, and that is equal to 0.5 amps. In recent years, the reality of climate change has become impossible to ignore. Severe weather events are growing more frequent and more intense. For homeowners, this means that utility power outages are no longer inconveniences. They can last for hours, days, or in extreme cases, even longer. The question is no longer if, but when. You'll need a solution to keep your homes powered and your family safe. Now is the time to prepare and ensure you're not left in the dark when the next storm hits. Here are some trusted resources to help you prevent power outages at home. Jackery Canada at this web address. Bluetti Canada at this web address. Bluetti USA at this web address, and Bluetti Australia at this web address. And finally, EcoFlow may be found at this web address. And for those of you in Australia, here is an added bonus. Bluetti has just come out with their newest fleet edition, the Apex 300. It can put out 3,840 watts for 2,764 watt hours. It has 120 240 volt dual voltage output, and it powers HVACs, electric vehicles, and heavy-duty loads. In order to get more information and take advantage of a special offer, simply go to this web address. You can also obtain an exclusive offer of 10% discount by using the code 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. And for those of you in Canada, here is an added bonus. You can go to this web address in order to get up to 50% savings on some of Jackery's products. In addition to any price reduction at this time, you can also realize an extra 5% discount by using the above email address in combination with this code, DEAL5. And finally, I want to make you aware of the fact that EcoFlow's brand new Rapid Pro power bank will officially be launched on August the 25th. The EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank is designed for individuals needing portable charging solutions. This power bank features two models, a 5,000 milliamp hour version and a more robust 10,000 milliamp hour version, catering to different charging needs. You can take advantage of huge early bird discounts and find out all the details about these rapid magnetic power banks by going to the following web addresses. In Canada, go to the web address, and in the US, go to this web address. Furthermore, you can get an exclusive 5% further discount by using the code 25EFRAFF5. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.